Do you want to be happy again? Or like you've never been before? Do you want to live life to the full extent? Do you want to be doing what you really love to do? Do you want actually to discover what it is you really love to do? Do you want to go through life feeling free, having plenty of energy, great people around you? And what you need is to discover your true greatness, which is not your job title, not your PhD, whatever you studied, but is the diamond within you. And probably you have been feeling already for a while like, I know there's more to life, there's more that I can actually be doing, but I don't know what. I don't know how to discover it. Well, I can help you with this. One of the things I do is guide people inwards to the diamond, to the beautiful jewelry inside them, to the gifts they have. Help them discover them and then let them out. I do this in different ways. I do this through soul answers, for example. Find it on my website under services. But I also can do this through sessions or workshops. A workshop can be the breakthrough workshop, which is 2.5 days of very intense work where people break through the biggest obstacles and start to be more free. And by being more free, you can actually open up and a jewel can come out. Or sometimes private sessions where through a trajectory of multiple sessions, at least 5, you start to go inwards, start to take away the layers, start to break down the walls that you built up, and then from there, jewel can come out. So, if this resonates with you, if you feel like, yeah, I want to live again, if you want to feel like I'm feeling now, that energy, blasting, contact me. Let me guide you. Let me help discover how great you are, how great you really are, what you're able to, what you came to do in this life, what you're meant to be, what you're meant to be doing.